Hello, I am Dr. P. Hemlata, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Vellalar College for Women, Erode. The today's topic of lecture is Intermediate Value Theorem. The theorem is stated as follows. If f is a continuous function on a closed interval a, b and L is any number between f of a and f of b, then there is at least one number c in open interval a, b such that f of c equal to L. So here there is a stress on the function f which is to be continuous, and the interval is the closed interval ab, and the value L lies between f of a and f of b, so that the value f of c equal to L. So consider the following figure. In this figure, the function y equal to f of x is given in the curve, given as the curve, and the value f of a and f of b is given, and the corresponding value f of a and f of b are given, and c is a real number between a and b, and the corresponding value f of c equal to L is also given there. So this is the figure for corresponding theorem. So what is the meaning of intermediate value theorem? This theorem tells the conditions under which the value c exists, but using this theorem we cannot actually determine the value of c. So it is nothing but an existence theorem. For example, consider the following. If between 7 am and 2 pm the temperature went from 55 to 70 degrees centigrade, here the function time, which is a continuous one, and the interval ab is the time between 7 am to 2 pm, and f of a, the value of f of a is 55 and the value of f of b is 70. At some time c, it reached f of c equal to 62, and there may be many value of c at which the function attains the value 62. Another example, given f of x equal to 3x square minus 2x minus 5, we have to show that the function f of x equal to 0 has a solution on 1, 2, closed interval 1, 2. Here consider the function value at 1, f of 1 equal to minus 4, which is less than 0, and the value f of 2 equal to 3, that is greater than 0. Therefore, by intermediate value theorem, there may exist a value in between 1 and 2 such that f of x equal to 0. Here f of x equal to 0 is a continuous one because it is a polynomial, and the value 0 lies between f of 1 and f of 2. Therefore, by intermediate value theorem, there exists a value c on the closed interval 1, 2 such that f of c equal to 0. Another example, show that a value c exists such that f of c equal to 2 for f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 3 in the interval closed interval 0, 2. Here f of x is a continuous function because it is a polynomial of degree 2, and the value of f of 0 equal to minus 3, which is less than 0, and the value of f of 2 is 5, that is greater than 0. Therefore, by intermediate value theorem, there exists a value c such that f of c equal to 2. Further, the value 2 lies between minus 3 and 5. Some more problem. We have to use the intermediate value theorem to show that the polynomial function f of x equal to x cube plus 2x minus 1 has a 0 in the interval 0, 1. So, since it is a polynomial, it is a continuous function, and we have to find the value of f of a and f of b. The value f of a is f of 0, that is equal to minus 1, and the value f of b equal to f of 1, that is equal to 2, which is so we can lesser value, that is less than 0, and second value f of 1 is greater than 0. Therefore, there may exist a value c between f of 0 and f of 1. There may exist a value L between f of 0 and f of 1 such that the value attains 0 in between that interval. So our value of c is 0, that lies between 0, minus 1 and 2. So the intermediate value theorem concludes that there is indeed a 0 in the closed interval 0, 1. Another example shows that the following example shows that the intermediate value theorem fail for the following example. Here f of x equal to minus 1 between the interval minus 1 to 0 and 1 in the interval 0 to 1. So this is a function from in the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1, but it is not a continuous one, since it has two values, minus 1 in the interval minus 1 to 0 and 1 interval 0 to 1, and it has a point of discontinuity at x equal to 0. Hence this the initial value theorem fails for the given function f of x. Another example, we have to show that a root exists in the interval minus 2 to minus 1 for the function f of x equal to 2x cube plus x square plus 2. It is a continuous function in the interval minus 2 to minus 1, and the value of f of minus 2 is minus 10. The value of f of minus 1 is 1. Therefore, by initial value theorem, there exists a value c in the interval minus 2 to minus 1 such that f of c equal to 0. For f of x equal to x square minus 4, consider the value between 3 and 5. The value f of c is exactly 12. So this is the function corresponding figure for the given function. So for the value x equal to 4, it attains the value 12. Here f of x is a polynomial and it is a continuous function in the interval 3 to 5. Here the value of y lies between f of a and f of b. That is, here f of a equal to 5 and f of b equal to 19. So the value of y is 12. Therefore there exists a value 4 between 3 and 5 for which f of c equal to 12. Thank you.